We are Carolina Precision Machining. CPM is a full-service machining facility providing precision machine part manufacturing for industry. CPM is certified to AS9100 and ISO 9001 requirements. CPM specialized trained team members are experienced in high precision, close tolerance tooling work, as well as high volume turning, milling, and laser cutting. CPM services aerospace, power grid, military, semiconductor, and other industry. Because of the pivotal role we play in your business, Carolina Precision Machining is committed to creating and maintaining strong relationships with our customers built on a foundation of excellence and trust. Our quality assurance plans are customized to meet each company's requirements and tight specifications. CPM provides inspection documentation, including first article inspection report as required. We are committed to total customer satisfaction and strive to meet or exceed customer requirements and expectations each and every time. Carolina Precision Machining occupies a newly renovated 45,000 square foot climate-controlled, state-of-the-art secured facility centrally located in Mocksville, North Carolina. Carolina Precision Machining is committed to total customer satisfaction. We will strive to meet or exceed our customer requirements and expectations every time. Quality, reassurance, reliable. Contact us today for a quote or to schedule a tour of our facility and meet our team. We are Carolina Precision Machining.